fẹ̀ṣẹ̀ wọ̀n.
Ayakata.
Ó fẹ̀ṣẹ̀ gbìn.
Ayakata.
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 Ayakoto.
Another matter where it shocked me. This one make me supply bongo supply nyonyo. Ovokorapo. People get mind. People get mind. Those days we think say men chop liver pass. We no say men they learn. Men they learn. Kai. See this woman, say how she fine. Her eye now they trick me pass. Oh. Is how she be? You don't know how? You don't know this woman? If you see this woman face anywhere, you don't know who she be. Except na children they just dey born. This is the before minister of petroleum da. The before minister of top petroleum matter. Desian Yalisi Madweke, that be her name. This woman chop liver. No say that time they say she commit. They look for her. The woman form sickness now, so she jack back over from Niger. Till today, they never see am catch. They just say for the woman to enter Niger now, the level go hard. They try, but they never see her catch. Now what it go shock me? I know say them talk say she chop money, no be say her house or her the EFCC person. But based on how we take care of them. But this one now can't shock me. On Friday night, the Oga Chamo for Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, Abdurrashid Bawa. And so he go face House of Representatives. So on Friday, he go explain to them how then they take spend some of the loot where they recover. Now so he take talk this one where it shock some of us. He make me supply gbogbo supply nyonyo. Pieces of jewelry where they seize from this before minister of petroleum resources, Desian Yalisi Madweke. They say the money where they take value jewelry. Hey, jewelry. Now 14.460 billion naira. Not the million, no. Billion naira. Now they say them value the jewelry. Maybe money where their account at the talk. Oh, jewelry. Me and you go buy chain, 2K. You go wear chain, 2K, wear ring, 5K, your blood go dey hot. If you even fit buy chain of 10K, any event where you go, if the chain enter inside your shirt, you go remove am, show am. You go want everybody see am. You go even dey tell people, you go dey form. Now they talk say person jewelry reach 14.460 billion naira. According to Rashid Bawa, him talk say although the woman don finally forfeit the jewelry give the federal government, so federal government get the power to sell am, and him talk say the value of some other properties wey she get, dem value am, I think the value na $80 million. Na dem talk. This one get level. Well, as I dey follow you talk so, everybody shock. We hear say people, members of the committee wey dey investigate the matter, all of them is shocked when the man just pronounce this morning that say boy just shout, if na you call, you no go shout. 14 billion for jewelry. For jewelry. Where she pack and they go? Something wey be say if you die today, all of them, e don finish. You no dey use am do anything. If no be say our leaders stingy, dem greedy. 1 billion. You know how long we fit use 1 billion? I talk am for our program last night, Friday night. I talk am. I say 1 billion. You no fit use am 1 year if you dey spend 1 million every day. If you say make you spend 1 million every day, you no fit use 1 billion. I dey tell you, if you wan spend 1 million every day, Monday to Monday again, you dey spend 1 million, you know dey finish 1 billion in a year. Because we get 365 days in a year. 366 days in a leap year. Okay, that average 365 days in a year. If you spend 1 million, now just 365 million naira, now you don't spend. In 2 years, you never still spend 1 billion. If you dey spend 1 million every day. So you go say almost 3 years, now you go take spend 1 billion. If you dey spend 1 million every day, and it's not possible, then wetin happen? Where na dey pack the money dey go? Who na dey pile am up for? Money wey be say no matter what, one, if you get money, your children say don't get. Your children don't get name. They don't go better school. Who you dey pile up this money for? No be wickedness be that. Make we suffer o. Make we take am suffer. Because we don dey wreck this nation finish. Person jewelry na 14 billion. Hey! Edepe. Kai! Wickedness. So, whether na the major stories the way it been chook me for liver throughout the week for inside we program Ayakata Assembly. In case you would like to listen for we program on top radio, the station na Vision 92.1 FM Abuja. Maybe you would like to stream, maybe you know dey for Abuja, you would like to stream, listen to us. You fit stream us live na www.live.visionfm.ng. Or maybe to stream sef dey hard you. If you download we app, we get Vision FM app now. Just go Play Store, go download them. You go see Vision FM app for there. If you download them finish, click on them. You go listen to us loud and clear. Nothing do you, my name never change. Ayakata Assembly na the program, and my name na Honorable Ambassador Ape the Great. I hope so you go join me again next week, same time, for same online platform. Until then, may God bless you. But remember to be a blessing to other people. Until that time, you is a good goodbye. But don't forget to follow me on top Instagram. To follow me for Instagram, na at Honorable on Air. To follow the program for Facebook, na Ayakata Assembly. Of course, if you also follow us for YouTube, it will be.
Ó fẹ́ ṣẹ́ wọ̀n.
Ayakata.
Ó fẹ́ ṣẹ́ gbẹ̀n.
Ayakata.
Ayakata.